Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about sharing my Excel and PowerPoint knowledge from my experiences and sometimes creating PowerPoint icons and animation for fun. Today, I'll be sharing about Concat and ampersand formula in Excel. Here, I have listed some of the ways how we can use these two formulas, and I have set up a table this way to show you how both of these two formulas work similarly. So, a quick background on when do you use concat and ampersand. It is used to combine a string of text and items together. Here in my Excel, I have two blue boxes that is for us to insert any sort of text or characters and numbers, and in respective table I have labeled the description of possible ways you can use these two formulas and not forgetting how the formula should be constructed, and finally the result from it. Let's start with the second description on how to combine two texts together. I have inserted the formula earlier in the result box. It is the same as what you see here in the formula column. So if you notice the result in D5, it is actually showing I love cheesecake. I love cheesecake, but there is no spacing between I love and cheesecake. And if you look at the result in D6, there is a spacing in between I love and cheesecake. That is because I've inserted a space in the formula itself, which is exactly what you see here in the formula column. And now let's look at the written text. We can actually look at D7. Here I have inserted so much at the end of my formula, and hence it will return I love cheesecake so much. And in between cheesecake and so much, I have inserted another spacing just so that there will be a space between cheesecake and so much. And this work the same for ampersand. So if you look here, I love cheesecake. There's no spacing in between. And if you want spacing, you could just add in the space and put in the ampersand and followed by the text that you want to combine. So lastly, as you can see here, these two formulas, you can use these two to actually return with the current date. All you have to do is to put in the formula text today and the format that you want, and the result will appear based on the date that you set it up. That's all for my sharing today. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe if you like my video, and put in your in my comment on what are the other topics that you would like to hear from me. And lastly, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.